Cleanrooms are classified by airflow type into unidirectional, non-unidirectional, and mixed-flow cleanrooms. Unidirectional flow cleanroom. Typically configured with vertical flow, this type features a supply air plenum at the top and return air floors at the bottom. During operation, air moves vertically downward through HEPA filters in a piston-like flow, ensuring uniform velocity and direction. It achieves ISO Class 5 or higher, and is ideal for high-precision environments like semiconductor production, sterile filling, and operating rooms. Non-unidirectional, turbulent, flow cleanroom. Air is supplied from ceiling or upper wall diffusers and returned through side or floor grills, creating turbulent mixing with some eddies and reverse flows. Cleanliness typically ranges from ISO Class 7 to 9. It is commonly used in food processing, general pharmaceuticals, and optical assembly. Mixed flow cleanroom. This hybrid design uses unidirectional flow over critical zones, e.g. workbenches, equipment, and non-unidirectional flow in surrounding areas. It maintains ISO Class 5 in key areas and ISO 7 to 8 in peripheral spaces. Applications include semiconductor lithography zones, biological safety cabinets, and pharmaceutical weighing rooms. It balances high local cleanliness with lower overall energy use and cost. Selecting the right airflow type depends on cleanliness needs, layout, and cost considerations. Unidirectional flow offers high cleanliness at a higher cost. Non-unidirectional is cost-effective for moderate cleanliness, while mixed flow optimizes performance and efficiency for partial high cleanliness requirements.